Hey everyone, and welcome back to the uPresenter channel. We're absolutely buzzing to share some incredible new features and improvements landing this May. Get ready to experience enhanced classroom support, wider language accessibility, the ability to download slide images, presentation passcode security, and more. These updates are all about giving you more control, flexibility, and a smoother workflow than ever before. If you haven't signed up yet, try uPresenter now at the link in the description box below. Okay, let's dive into it now. First up, we're introducing classes, a new way to organize your content and manage your learners more effectively. Instead of sharing individual presentations one by one, you can now group multiple presentations into a class. Think of it as your own mini course, complete with lessons, quizzes, and progress tracking. Let me show you how to create and manage your classes in uPresenter. Here's how it works. Start by creating class, giving class name and description. Different class theme options are available here. You can select a color code for your class at this section. And adding presentations you created into your class. Invite learners to join the class using a simple passcode or invited link. Here are the options available now. You can also invite learners by adding their email address at this section. Once you added their email address, uPresenter will send an invitation directly to learners' inbox. They can just click the button to join your class easily. As learners go through each lesson, uPresenter tracks their performance. Slide views, quiz results, time spent, and more, all accessible from your dashboard. If you are not managing classes, you can share presentations as normal. It allows anonymous access with name input. Learners can access lessons with no login required. They just enter their name and jump right in. It's a low-barrier way to engage learners while still allowing teachers to track progress and participation. Whether you're teaching in a school, running a workshop, or training a team, this new flow gives you control, clarity, and a complete picture of learner engagement over time. Learning with uPresenter is now simpler and more flexible than ever. With uPresenter classes, learners are able to review a lesson, see feedback, and score results immediately as they finish the lesson. View their own progress directly in the dashboard, see which lessons they've completed, how they performed on quizzes, and where they left off. So, that's about the new classes feature in uPresenter. Next, we're making uPresenter more organized with slide pane redesign and extended language support. We've added support for more widely used languages, ensuring a more intuitive experience for users around the globe. With support for 18 languages and more on the way, educators and learners from different regions can now use the platform in the language they're most comfortable with. Whether you're teaching in Vietnamese, Spanish, Arabic, or Hindi, uPresenter is ready to meet you where you are. This update is all about inclusivity, making sure language is never a barrier to creating or accessing knowledge. Next up, let's talk about our new slide pane design. We've restructured the layout to give your canvas more space and clarity while keeping essential tools within easy reach. Whether you're editing slides, arranging flow, or previewing your work, this update ensures a smoother creative process. It's designed to help you focus on your content, not the clicks. Last but not least, we're very excited to bring you new tools and enhancements inside uPresenter. In this update, we are very excited to bring you new enhancements for shape tools, text-to-speech, batch deletion, new timeline preview, and slide downloadability. With text-to-speech, you can convert any text on the canvas directly into audio. Just by clicking any elements having text inside, you can convert it into speech immediately. It's perfect for adding voiceovers, enhancing accessibility, or creating self-paced lessons, no recording required.
The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense, is used to describe actions that are currently happening.
For example, let's create a new text box in a slide. If you want to convert it into voiceover, just select it on the canvas. Click this text-to-speech button at the toolbar menu. Now you can select any voice here. Select an instruction and click this button to start.
Welcome to uPresenter May Updates. This is the uPresenter AI voice. How does it sound?
As many of you asked about the timeline preview option, it's now super easy to see what you've created with the timeline preview button in uPresenter. That's cool, right? Now you don't need to click the present button to see your project anymore. We know you often need your content in different formats, which is why we're thrilled about the new Download as Images feature. Whether it's a single slide or an entire presentation, you can now easily export your content as high-quality images. It's ideal for handouts, social media snippets, or repurposing your slides for any platform. Finally, for easier content management, we've introduced batch lesson deletion. Now you can select and delete multiple lessons at once, saving you time and keeping your workspace tidy. These updates are all designed to make your uPresenter experience smoother, more creative, and incredibly efficient. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to uPresenter and try out these amazing new features today.